Going up.
God, what's going on? In ants. Look, look here. Oh my gosh. Working in the office today, guys, and I'm gonna go now. So I'm already ready and everything. So people, so let me turn off the TV and I'll see you all later. Will be great. I'm getting a lift from J to work, guys. So I have to take the bus this morning, which is a good look. So see you now on my way there. Traffic on the way to work. There's a lot of traffic happening. Got the big truck delivery and collection truck in front. Hey guys, I am on my lunch break inside of the park. So this is where I'm having my lunch break. I'm just gonna sit somewhere. I'm just gonna sit here. Oh, it's sound that nice. So I'm gonna sit and eat. So I'm gonna sit down here and have my lunch. Yeah. Bench right here. Okay. Hey guys, I'm in the park having at my lunch in the park. I have 5 more minutes before I start walking back. So I'm gonna sit here. No man, I don't think the council is doing a good job. Look, stagnant water. It's supposed to be running through all of here. You know, it's supposed to be running nice, fresh, clean water supposed to be running through here. When it was built, it's slip hazard. Please do not play in the water fountain. No fountain. All of a sudden, no fountain, and it used to have nice clean water in here, and now it's not working at all. They need to fix it. Oh my god, they need to fix it, guys. Yeah, so I'm on a lunch break walking around the park. I'm gonna head back into work now, guys. So I'll see you in the next clip. Yes guys, I'm heading back into work now, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye guys. I'm gonna pick up the video, share up the video, comment and subscribe to the channel. What are you waiting for? Alright. Look, taking a 5 minutes break. Can see the buses, and that's the clock. It's after 3 p.m.
Level 2. Going down.
I am going to have this. Oh my God, what's going on? Junior, flying ants. Look what is taking over the yard. Flying ants. A long time I don't see flying ants. Look. Mighty God, one whole heap of them. Look here. Look. Where did my something come from? Flying ants. Look. Look here. Oh my gosh. We got something going on in the yard, man. Look here. I don't want to come from me, you know? But they are flying ants. Look there. Ants, you know, and then fly. I've never seen flying ants before. See the flying ants, people. I'm gonna go inside because I don't want them to come on me. Anybody in England seeing flying ants in their yard? Oh my God.